All right, so anyway, I've got these Power Owl CR2032s. I'm going to go ahead and just get one out of there. All right, so I cut one out. Here it is. I'm going to show you how to put this in the AirTag. And if you look at it, you're going to notice that there's this silver on top and then the white's underneath it. And underneath this is where this battery is going to go, okay? So to get it off, you just use your universal lefty-loosey, and to get it back on, you use your righty-tighty. So first we got to get it off to get the battery out. So what you have to do is you put 2 fingers here, 2 fingers here, thumbs on top, and you're going to press down with your thumbs. And then you're going to twist it to the left. You see how I did that? And then this just basically opens up, just like that. And if you look, you're going to see there's 3 little like protuberances sticking out. And those are the things that have to slide into these little spots right here. Let me pull that out. So that's our bad one. We'll flip it over. It was an Energizer. So if you look, you'll see it's right here, and right here. And that's where those 3 go, right? So now we got to put our new battery in. And so this is a Power Owl battery, CR2023. You just set it right in there like that. And now the next thing we got to do is we got to put our top on, and we got to fit it in those 3 little holes. So that's the tricky part. So what you can do is you can just kind of like slide it on like that, and then just kind of move it around until you feel it fall in the holes. Did you just hear that clicky sound? That's telling me the battery's kicking in. Now what you got to do is 2 fingers on the back, right? Push your thumbs down. You really have to squeeze it, and then twist it to the right. You see how it just moved a little bit? That's how you lock it in. And if you look, you can see it's in there. To get it off, if you wanted to take it out, you squeeze it and twist it to the left. You see how it moved? And now it's loose, right? To get it back on, squeeze it, twist it to the right. You see that little bit of movement? That's all you need. And that's basically how you open it up and change the battery. And then we got to throw this one out, okay? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.